All right, what is going on, guys? So one of my tailpipes is sticking out a lot further than the other one, and it looks kind of an eyesore. So we're going to go get this adjusted here, and over time, it just kind of moved out of place. We never got it retorqued, but we're just going to go ahead and get it done today. Go ahead and get that taken care of. Hopefully, it'll look a lot better once it's all adjusted and retorqued. But things like this happen when you have aftermarket parts, so we're going to go get this taken care of. All right, guys, so we got it fully readjusted and torqued down, and we got a wash as well. But what happened was, it's a lot straighter, by the way. So what happened was, when I got it installed about 6 months ago, after it was fully broke in, I was supposed to take it back to the shop and get it retorqued and adjusted. But I never did it. I never took it back. So what had happened was, this side, the nut that's attached underside just started to, I guess, loosen a little bit, and this pipe on this side shifted back a little bit. So this pipe was sticking out further than this one. So, well, we got it all readjusted and it looks a lot better. If you notice how far it's sticking out there and how far it's sticking out there. Now, it's not totally perfect, and that's expected anytime you put aftermarket parts on your vehicle. It's not going to be totally 100% perfect. Just like my cold air intake, that started shimmying out of place, but now that's fixed. But it looks a whole lot better. Again, it's not 100% even, but it is a whole lot better than what it was. I think this side is just in just a little bit more, but it looks a whole lot better. Get an angle from this side. It looks a whole lot better. This is the Stainless Works catback exhaust system. Looks amazing, guys. But again, we got it all fixed. Looks a ton better. That's just a quick video, guys, on the exhaust adjustment. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I will see you guys in the next video. Alexsrtlife signing off.